sidewalk.
You tried, well, and anybody that's standing, I mean, technically, you can stand under there and get yourself out of the sun for a minute.
Yeah, Chris, back east, he goes, David,
I want that front of the world.
said what? My buddy back east wants Nate to come down to the world. With the water
It's a lot of use.
Hey, Pete.
Like
All ready, Nate, huh? Yeah. Damn, you gotta be on the straight and narrow to drive that in between them lines.
Buddy, come here, check out
This
this
the
truck.
inaugural or?
Yeah.
Oh, do we leave our camera at home?
No?
Leave the antenna up, Anthony. Otherwise it'll start taking off if you get too far away.
It's like a crop sprayer. Nate,
Yeah.
it's cool, dude.
I saw that and I went, oh, I got the picture. What you after, baby? Careful. You do the back of the
What pressurizes that?
Excuse
A little windshield washer.
That's why Nate does this stuff.
Is that cool or
Amounts
what?
of brain power apparently.
Creative.
Dad too.
That's very hard.
Yep. Press the tank.
How can it crawl?
It's because I tried too wet now.
Look at this.
Got a truck driver on the corner.
Hey, it's harder than it looks.
We gotta get the tape measure wet.
That's funny.
That's a pretty good job.
Yeah.
That's the.
Little ones on the drifting though.
Yeah, you get that minimum. Everybody drives to the left or the right.
That's cool.
Cigarette lighter tool.
He said the lights and everything work. He hasn't hooked them up yet, but he said, yeah, all the lights will be working.
Thank you.
Last time I saw it, all it was a chassis and a cab. And that was about 6 weeks ago.
Each time we have a pull, we bring it up, there's a little bit more pieces added to it. He's got a truck that's got a working snow blower on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Sure snow.
Have you seen the winches that Dan sells? Yeah, those and the smash trucks. Now it's going right back.
There's a pump on by the remote?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I can't get my remote to work with my jig.
See, I'll be lucky if my car turns on, let alone turn something else on.
Alright. Somebody's got to start bringing a video camera for stuff like this.
It's videotaping.
Oh, is it?
It'll be on YouTube, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
There's snowblowers on YouTube.
Yeah, the guys back east, they've seen it. Just a video on his driveway. They're wanting to fly him back to the world. Just to bring the water truck. I was like, go, man.
I'd be like, alright, when is it? Because I need to take that time off work.
Everybody's like, that is the coolest. I like, you guys might have more power if you don't have a water truck in your club. Yeah. Christopher. He's going to put a winch on the water truck in front of it. Way cool.
Thank you.